vlog one. How are you guys? Oh my gosh. So for some of you, this is actually your second. Hey goddess babies, I'm Jasmine, owner of Badazzled Goddess, aka the Goddess Teacher. I'm seeing me. For a lot of you, this is your first time seeing me. So with that being said, let's get on to like the whole reason why, when, and how Badazzled Goddess was started. So I started Badazzled Goddess back in 2016 when glasses was low-key popping, but it wasn't popping like it is today. I graduated school a semester early, so I was home and I didn't have my college classes online until that upcoming January. So I had nothing to do. I was just home bored, chilling. I ain't had no car at the time or nothing. Like, I was like, this is not it. I already knew that I wanted to be a business owner though. Like I've been knew that since I was in elementary school. But what I wanted to do and what business I wanted to start, like I had no idea whatsoever until one day I was scrolling on Instagram and I just happened to see some glosses and they were sparkly and they were pretty. And me and my friend, when I was in high school, we used to talk about like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to buy some glitter lip gloss. Like we used to say that all the time in 4th period. Y'all, I remember this like it was yesterday. So when I seen this, I was like, wow, this is pretty. I like. And I'm gonna tell you exactly who page I seen on. What's her name? Compton Barbie. She's a Compton. The Compton Barbie. It's something Compton Barbie. Her. She inspired me so much. I don't know her personally. I just happened to follow her and she grind and hustle. It really motivated me. What I did, I researched, got my things together. I showed my daddy, because he was like, if I'm going to invest in you, I need you to show me exactly what you're going to do. I need everything lined out to the T for me to put some money into you. So I needed $200 to start my business. That's all I started with was $200, y'all. That's it. I told him how many sales I wanted to get, what I wanted to do, how I wanted to do the blah, 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 blah. He gave me money. And from there, I basically did the rest. Like literally, that's when Badazzled Goddess started and like how Badazzled Goddess started. It's been 3 years. I'm just so proud of myself. I'm so proud of Badazzled Goddess. I'm so proud of my guys base because y'all have been through this journey. Like we're still growing. I'm not willing to give up because I know where I'm going. I just feel like I see the bigger picture. It's just a process. It's a process, but I know I'm gonna get there. Okay, so let's talk about the purpose of Badazzled Goddess. So the purpose is to motivate and inspire people through makeup. I want to touch people. I want to just, you know, like when you get your products, you're like, okay, this is what's up. This is popping. That's why I had to transition from lip gloss to mattes and some new products that I'm coming out with, because I felt like with the lip gloss, it was cool for the beginning, but as I grow, your business has to grow too. I felt like I needed to upgrade with product, like my name actually printed on my products and not labels, like sticker labels. Not saying that there's anything wrong with that, because in the beginning I did the same thing. It's just I wanted to upgrade. I wanted to do better, bigger, better, you know? I just want to be great. That's all. Like somebody out there inspired me, so I just feel like my job is to inspire you guys, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna fulfill my purpose. I'm gonna fulfill what I need to do. What God has on my heart for me to do, I will do, okay? With that being said, guys, I think that wraps up the video. Oh, wait. Forgot to say, right now I'm wearing the Sheesh highlighter. Okay, like, don't look. And I'm also wearing the I Am Beautiful duo because I am beautiful. And so are you. This is my go-to duo wherever I go, wherever I'm popping up at. Like, you gonna see me with this on because I love this duo on my skin tone. Seriously, it's like so popular. If y'all need help with anything, like, I want to grow this channel. I want to grow it to where we can we can bond together. Not just show like my products, but you know, also make videos with me in it and like helping you all out. Especially if you want to start a business or something. So if you guys have questions, or if you have something or a particular video you would like me to do, make sure you comment below, okay? Like, share, and make sure you subscribe because it's only up from here, and I promise you that. I love y'all. I hope this video inspired, motivated, something. I hope it touched you, okay?